mga kabaka! Welcome back to another episode of our Kabaka Chat segment. So this segment po is for us to get to know more about our cattle raisers. You know, something more personal, casual, more than the technical side that we usually share with you guys. So for today's video mga kabaka, I do not have one, but I have two special guests for today's video. So I guess meron na kayong clue dahil sa likod ko. So they are known brothers here in Pandakaki, Pampanga. And not only that, they're also known brothers in the cattle industry. And mga kabaka, fun fact, you know, these two brothers, their professions are very far from what they're doing now. So the other one is practicing law and the other one is practicing medicine. So, but both of them share the same passion for cattle raising. So maya-maya, makikilala natin sila ng mas personal level. So, puntahan natin sila! Alright, so mga kabaka, ito na. Pupunta na natin ang ating two special guests, ang owners ng Victor Ranch, ang Tayo Brothers, si Doc Conchi, and Attorney Joseph Tayo. Ay, nandito na pala sa... Hi, Doc Conchi! Hi, Attorney Joseph!
Hello!
Hi, team! Hi, naman. Before we kick you out of the shoot. Ayan, so first of all, happy anniversary to Victor Ranch! Yeah, it's your 10th year.
That's right,
anniversary.
Yeah.
And this is actually one of the most requested videos of our kabakas. They want to know more about how Victor Ranch started. Like how, you know, your journey from the very beginning, you know, like 10 years ago.
Well, I think just like every farmer that we are kabakas, it all started as a hobby. It all started as an idea.
It all started as an idea, and then it all started as a dream, and then at first it started as a hobby, and now we're trying to be serious. We're trying to be serious, and hopefully it will be a business. As of now, we don't see it that way. As of now, our focus is improving the cattle production in our farm, not only as to the production but also as to the quality. That's why we're, with your help, the Bionova, especially in order to improve the genetic quality of the herd. So you're helping us.
Yeah, because I also mentioned to them, and I think it's also a known fact that like the Conchi is a surgeon, the attorney is a lawyer. So how did the idea come up, like to have a cattle farm?
Paano ba natin masisimulan?
Paano ba yan?
It was back in, para they just have an idea.
Yeah,
It started in a coffee shop, actually.
Yeah. 2012, back in 2012, right? Or 2011 December.
Maybe around 2011 December.
Yeah.
Because I had my bar exam around November 2011. So I just finished my bar exam November 2011.
I just came home from training.
From training. So finished around December 2011 also. So we're
waiting for the next.
Yeah, what's next?
Yeah, what's next? Yeah, and we're staying in a coffee shop. I think we're waiting for our siblings then, just because they're coming home. And then we just saw a newspaper about agriculture, and then we saw some about cattle farming. So we had that idea, and my father then also have some cows, cattle. So yeah. From then, we started to do it in a scientific way. And that's why
it started from zero po talaga. As in, no cow. I mean, besides the cows, no. But the facilities, the knowledge.
Yes. It's all started as a scratch. Maybe the only thing that we have is the love for animals. Yeah, the love for animals. Aside from that, it all started as here.
Yeah, hindi, yun talaga. We're just looking for something to do. Wala lang po kaming magawa during that time. Really. Because attorney was waiting for his bar result. Tapos ako kakauwi ko lang from training, from neurosurgery. We have nothing to do. We would like to start a project. Ganun lang.
Of course, when you started, what pushed you to continue? Because it's been 10 years. So of course, there were times that you felt like, is this really for us? Is it still working?
Of course, there are challenges, but
several.
Several, not only one. But of course, first, you should have the support of your family to do this. We're venturing this out, and they're there to support us, to help us financially, physically, emotionally. So we started from there, and then there are of course challenges in terms of management. Of course, we also have our own endeavors, professional endeavors. So aside from that, there must be a continuous learning.
Yes.
Yeah, I think without that, I doubt.
But according kay attorney, nagsimula lang naman for the love of animals, for the love of cows. That's started, no? Then we set a goal. Naglagay na kami ng goal. What do we want to be after 10 years, after 20 years? Then everything, every activity, every project that we do, we put in this farm, is always geared towards meeting our goal. Ganun lang naman yun. If you don't have a goal, chances are, you'll get tired, you'll get frustrated.
Na parang one hurdle, ayoko
Yeah, ayoko na. Pero kung may goal ka, and we know naman that it's not fast. When we learned about cow-calf operation, cattle farming, every farmer or rancher that we talk to, lahat ng nakausap namin sinabi, handa ba kayo? Matagal yan, matagal ang turnaround yan.
Yes.
We have the time. Sabi ko, we have the time to wait. Sabi ko, walang problema. So, as expected, alam naman natin na matagal yan. So, talagang mabagal. Gapang siya.
Gapang talaga.
Hindi siya sprint, it's a marathon.
Yeah, it's a 10 years
No,
sprint.
it's not a sprint.
Sorry, 10-year marathon.
Yeah, it's a marathon.
And it's ongoing.
Yes, it's still
Wala. Forever learning.
But Doc Conchi, Attorney Joseph, like in those 10 years, like is there something that you wish you would have done differently or earlier?
A bigger area? Bigger area for a bigger herd? Maybe, but that's a limitation.
wishful thinking.
Wishful thinking.
But now, presently, you will realize how important is food security for the cows. Don't take them lightly na parang...
As long as may patay.
May pakain siya, may damo naman dyan. Damo lang kinakain yan.
That's the wrong notion of people. Akala nila, cows,
Damo lang kinakain.
damo lang yan. Kahit anong damo. No. We have to be precise as to what kind of forage are we gonna give them consistently and continuously. Parang kasi, if given the chance, we focus more on food security first. Parang ganun. Kasi before, you can focus to other things like breeding, production. Focus first on the basic. And the very basic is food security.
Yeah, nutrition. Nutrition, health and nutrition.
Yes.
Because cow-calf operation, sabi nga namin, fertility is the key in cow-calf operation because our product, our calf, di ba?
Yes.
Yan ang product natin. Sa cow-calf operation, kung hindi nanganak yan, hindi ka kikita. That's right. And hindi sila manganganak kung hindi sila nabuntis. And bubog pa, hindi sila mabubuntis if they are not healthy.
And hindi sila magiging healthy kung gutom sila. Or payat sila.
Pakit ang pakain mo.
So talaga everything goes hand in hand.
That's right, that's right.
You can just focus on one area.
Hindi pwedeng dito ka na kagad and you forget doing
the
this.
basics.
Yes, basic.
So sabi ko lagi sa mga nagbibisita dito, before you can focus to other things, first, food security muna. And then after that, you can dream other things, you can do this, you can do that.
You cross,
Yeah.
Pwede ba akong mag-cross ng ganyan sa ganyan? Sabi ko, parang napakahirap naman ang gusto natin gawin. Sabi ko, let's focus on the basic stuff. Housing, food, nutrition and health, and management. Proper management. Then, dadami na talaga yan. Wala ka dadami talaga siya.
So maybe we've reached your 10 years, diba? 10 years, wow!
10 years.
10 years pa lang. 10 years pa lang. I think sa cattle farming,
10 years is nothing.
It's too short. Yeah, it's too short for a cattle.
Rookie ang 10 years. When we talk about yung mga ranchers natin, generations of
So you started your generation of cattle
that's right.
ranchers.
We will be able to sustain it. But you know, you have to start it now. Parang ganon.
Yeah. So what's your goal naman? Like from now, na parang you mark your 10th year here at Victor Ranch. What's next Yeah, what's next for Victor Ranch? Same question 10 years ago. This time with the farm.
Actually, sabi ko nga kanina, during mga first 5 years of our farm, ang focus namin is for the cattle to survive.
So, maybe hindi sila magkasakit.
Maybe, siguro, sige, if we will put a timeline for the 10 years natin, maybe for the first 5 years, it's a learning process for us and for them to survive, di ba? And then maybe on the second 5-year period, on the 6th to 10th year, how to produce,
increase production.
How to produce. But now, moving forward, we wanted how to increase the production. Ganun ang...
And improve the genetics.
So, mas ano na siya, streamline niya na yung mga goals. From before to surviving. Now, really to improve production, genetics.
Yes.
Yun naman ang ultimate plan no? Produce quality cows, no? And our clientels, no? Yung mga clients namin na nagbe-visit dito sa Victor Ranch, no? Happy sila pag nakakita sila ng magandang baka no? So, yun pa rin ang gusto natin. Promote, producing productive.
One calf a year.
One calf a year cow.
And then, increase production. And then, improving the genetic quality of the herd. Diba? So, you can do that simultaneously with the help of Bionova. So, I think it is achievable, but it's not a short term. Yes, like we started around 2020.
Yes, third batch na.
Yeah, first batch natin 2020, and now we're on the 3rd year. And we cannot say na it's already improved. It's a gradual improvement. Like for example, yung unang FTAI natin, ano pa lang, magiging heifers pa lang sila, hindi pa sila natin nagamit.
Hindi pa natin nagamit.
For next year.
Yes, next year na FTAI, it will be used. So, you will see, hindi siya agad
mabilis.
You will not see the effect right away. Parang ganon.
Ayan. So, for Dr. Tonchi and Attorney Joseph, for those, syempre maraming mga nangangarap ng mga kabaka natin, when they see your cattle, they're inspired. So, do we have any parang tips or pieces of advice for our kabakas who either have their cows already pero they want to improve or yung mga wala pa na nangangarap?
For those who would like to start na wala pa, number 1, don't be in a hurry. Huwag kayong magmadali. As the story goes, dun sa amin, we pictured this around December 2011. We studied, we went to UPLB to study, we went farm visits and everything. But the first cattle that came delivered here was October 2012. So during that December to October, 10 months of preparation. We studied, we planted forage,
plantation, forage, and the building, construction. So 10 months.
Don't be in a hurry. Unang-una. And you need to accept that it's a long process. Sabi ko nga, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Gapang talaga siya. It's a long process. You will be disappointed more kung nagmamadali kayo and you don't get the result that you wanted to get, di ba? So, just be light para hindi kayo ma-disappoint ng maaga. Kasi madami tayong kilala, no? 10 years na kami, although sabi ko nga, hindi pa ganun katagal yun. But may mga kasabay kami, after 2-3 years, disappoint na sila, ayaw na, tapos benta na ng mga baka. Sayang yung investment, sayang lahat.
Yung oras.
Oras.
This is already a lot of time.
That's right. So, yun lang yun. Then learn.
Continuous learning.
Continuous learning.
Continuous learning. Yung inaral mo dati.
Pwede iba na ngayon.
Or iba yung focus mo noon, iba yung focus mo ngayon.
Before surviving.
Survival mode lang yan. Ngayon, production mode, di ba?
Yun sa mga wala pa. Pero yung meron na, and they want to improve their herd, do farm visits. You ask yung may mga magagandang baka, paano nila na-achieve yun? Hindi naman.
Actually,
kasi kami, ganun din naman. Madami kaming mga teachers, hindi naman po na ganito lahat yun. Madami pong tumulong sa amin, no? We have yung mga old breeders natin, no? So madaming tumulong sa atin. Madami tayong mga ninong at ninang na nagturo sa atin how to go about this.
And even if you have already a farm, we always love to do farm visits still.
Yeah.
We never stop doing. We're always excited to go somewhere and do farm visit. Kasi ang idea namin doon, we want to be inspired. Di ba? We will be inspired na, uy, ang ganda ng ano nila. Sana ganda.
What can we
so,
do?
yes, what can you do? Para ganon. Second, baka meron silang ginagawa na possible, applicable sa inyo, na pwede mong i-adapt. I mean, it's not a monopolization of learning naman dito eh. So, yung ganon, and then yun, you should be able to listen also sa mga experts, sa mga discussions, ganon, in order to consider on how to improve your...
Yeah, kasi pwede po, like, what you know may not be the best.
Yes.
And there's adaptation, hindi natin sinasabi na what's best here
is
will work on the other farm. Hindi talaga. The management, way of management is not. Sabi ko, ang dami ng iba, 10 years ago, hindi ganito. Hindi talaga. The way of management, iba. No, lots of experimentation, lots of mistake, lots of heartaches and all. Heartaches, pag namatayan ka ng alagang mahal na mahal mo, masakit yan. Masakit
Kaya puno naman yung freezer.
Freezer, oh my God. Ay, ngayon, hindi na napupuno ang freezer. Hindi na napupuno.
So, survive na eh.
Survive na sila. Before, palaging puno ang freezer. Kaya ayaw mo na kumain ng baka.
It's a good problem.
It's a good problem. You know, it's a long process, but it's a wonderful journey. Yes. Wonderful journey. And madami tayong nakilala.
Yes.
That's actually camaraderie of the cattle group, cattle industries, the cattle forums. Ay, okay yan.
Actually, you can say that the group in the cattle industry are very helpful naman. Yun lang, you just have to reach out, or you should, exhort also, do your own research and also do farm visits. Farm visits are very helpful talaga.
That is true.
Because not all farms have the same way of taking care of the cattle, the animals. So just get something that would
suit you. Kung ano ang bagay sa'yo, kung anong pwede sa operations mo. Hindi pare-pareho.
So, sa mga gusto ko mag-farm visit dito sa Victor Ranch, please invite them naman po here. Saan po ba to? And how do they go here? Do they just contact your Facebook page?
Yeah. We have our Facebook page, Victor Ranch. You can message us there. Our location, Pandakaki, Mexico, Pampanga. Around 15 minutes away from Angeles Exit and Lex. And then, just message us. Usually, nandito naman po kami every Saturday morning. So we can personally accommodate you. So we can...
para makapagkwentuhan
kayo.
Kabaka chat.
Kasi pag pumunta kayo rito, wala rin kayo makakwento. Baka lang.
Hindi sila makakapagkwento sa inyo. So...
para masamahan namin kayo.
Saan mapatulong yung po?
Right. Or you have questions, we try our very best to answer them. Kung kaya naman namin.
Ayan. So, thank you so much to the Tayo brothers of Victor Ranch, Doc Tonchi and Attorney Joseph. Thank you po, mga kabaka.